Now that you have your navigation set up the way that you like it, you don't want to have to go back through and set this up for every single picture. Luckily, you can choose to save this as a preset. So let's go ahead and do that now. Right-click over the icon, and then you can choose here, Set as a Preset. And what that will do, and go ahead and name it. What that will do is allow you to simply drag and drop it from this group here. So you can see presets, everything that you saved will get saved there. If you'd like to add it again, you just drop it in, and you can see that it's already set up in the basic shape, and you can further adjust it from that. All right. Now, if you want to delete a hotspot, right click, delete. Yes, it's like it never happened.